Hello, welcome to the next session, Introduction to Universal Verification Methodology. Verification methodology in common is a set of coding practice that is adopted by a group of people or a group of company to develop more reusable and more reliable verification test bench codes. This is a brief history of evolution of verification methodologies. These are the methodologies and these are the years in which they evolved. So out of this, AVM is a methodology developed by Mentor Graphics, and OVM is a combined project by Mentor Graphics and Cadence. And VMM was a combined project by Synopsys and ARM. Finally, UVM adopted the OVM methodology and also took the VMM methodology parts. So UVM is the most recent verification methodology available, and it is maintained by Axelera, which is a consortium of all the tools company like Synopsys, Mentor Graphics and Cadence. UVM or Universal Verification Methodology. UVM is a library of classes developed in System Verilog hardware description language. So its primary purpose was to define a common reusable architecture for developing the test bench components. And the primary advantage of using a UVM methodology in your test bench code is the vertical and horizontal reusability. So vertical reusability means the same components can be reused across different units or different clusters and finally in the final SOC. And the horizontal reusability means that it can be reused across multiple projects. If we compare UVM with OVM, both are similar in architecture because UVM has evolved from the OVM architecture, but UVM has many extra layers and features to support more verification complexity. Thus, if you are able to write a UVM test bench, then you can also understand and write an OVM test bench. Now, before learning the methodology, there is one point you should understand, that both UVM and OVM are classes developed in System Verilog language. To get all the advantage of the methodologies, you should always stick to the methodology. As they are pure System Verilog code, you may attempt to tweak the code in which in some way where you may find it easy, but you should not do that. It's not a recommended practice where you will lose all the advantage of the methodology.